coming down the road here, and she check engine light come on. She stalled completely out. Make sure the hood is popped. Kind of got me worried here. I'll pull the slave, but I can't. I'm gonna put you in my pocket. Yeah, she just stalled out or something. Making sure there's a little bit of, oh, the power steering cap come off. He's gonna try to fire it up. Watch out. Turn off the windshield wipers. Yeah, the power steering pump cap come off.
Tell me where.
If you look down in there, saw that crap all sticking around. Yeah, the power steering pump cap is kind of cattywampus on there.
Yeah, I see it. It's not on very good.
I think you're supposed to shut them off. But hey, you might want to shut it off and make sure check the oil in it.
The oil should be good.
Why don't you let Daddy drive?
You want to drive it? Maybe you'd be better off to drive it.
Pressure's good. It's probably fine. That's more than a week ago.
Yeah? Makes you wonder what went wrong. Because I was just coming along down the road and she just died.
No, you put that here on the ground, make sure Daddy didn't drop it. No, never mind.
What?
Look on the ground. Make sure. No, right here on the floor. There's nothing there. Come on.
Well, I'll let you know what happened.